In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Jira to MySQL step by step, even if you've never done this before. This is especially useful if you want to pull Jira data into a MySQL database, run custom SQL queries, build reports, or connect Jira with external analytics tools. We'll be using a trusted marketplace app that works directly inside Jira and offers a free trial so you can test everything safely. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Jira and database tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser and log into the account where you have admin permissions. You'll need admin access to install apps from the Atlassian marketplace, so make sure you're using the correct account. Once Jira is fully loaded and you're on your main dashboard or project board, look at the top navigation bar. Next, click on the More option in the top menu. This will open a drop-down with additional settings and tools. From that drop-down, click on Apps. This takes you directly to the Atlassian Marketplace section inside Jira, where you can search for and install integrations. Now, in the Marketplace search bar, type MySQL and press Enter. Jira will display a list of apps related to SQL and database connections. From the results, look for an app called SQL Connector for Jira. This app allows Jira to connect securely to external SQL databases, including MySQL, and is widely used for reporting and data access. Once you find SQL Connector for Jira, click on it to open the app's details page. Here you can review what the app does, supported databases, permissions, and user reviews. Take a moment to scroll through this page so you understand how the app works and what access it requires. When you're ready, click on Try It Free. Jira will then prompt you to review the app installation details. This step confirms what permissions the app needs in order to function correctly within your Jira environment. After reviewing the details, click on Review and then select Start Free Trial. Jira will now install the SQL Connector for Jira app into your instance. This process usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's complete, the app will be available from your Apps menu. At this point, your Jira environment is ready to connect to MySQL. From within the SQL Connector for Jira app, you can configure a new database connection by entering your MySQL host, port, database name, username, and password. Make sure your MySQL server allows remote connections and that firewall rules permit Jira to access the database. Once connected, you'll be able to run SQL queries directly against MySQL and use Jira data alongside your database data for powerful reporting and automation. And that's it. You've successfully installed the required app and taken the first step to connecting Jira to MySQL. This setup opens up a lot of possibilities for advanced reporting, dashboards, and data-driven decision-making. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira, database, and integration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.